I selected ClassCraft because it allows you to reward positive behavior and allows you to provide challenges and quests for the students to complete in the classroom. The positive and negative behavior aspect reminded me of what I've seen of Class Dojo, but in a video game setup. Since this is targeted for my students, I think they will really enjoy creating and customizing their avatar. As they earn more points, they can earn more tools to customize their avatar. My goal or objective would be for the students to maintain positive behavior in the classroom and have an independent learning opportunity for all content areas that is fun and interactive. I could create specific challenges for students based on their need, so if they are in my room for reading, math, or social skills, they could have customized quests to complete. This will give them opportunities to earn more rewards for their avatar, and it also gives them opportunities to earn rewards for the classroom. The first standard I chose for the ISTE Educational Leaders Standard was 2B, that states we will build on the shared vision by collaboratively creating a strategic plan that articulates how technology will be used to enhance learning. I chose this standard because I felt that by introducing gaming into the classroom, I was enhancing my students' learning with technology. The second standard I chose from the ISTE Educational Leaders Standards was 2E, that states we will share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other education leaders who want to learn from this work. I chose this standard because I feel that this is a valuable tool that others will benefit from implementing as well. Once I've used it for a while and am able to recommend this program to others, I think they will be very interested in using it as a way to enhance the learning of our elementary students. So I created a quick test class, and I put my own kids as students, and they've really been enjoying playing with it so far. But you give each student a character that has different skills. So, for example, this one is a mage, and it has certain levels that it already starts with, and certain powers that they already start with. And my other daughter is the guardian, and again, they have certain skills and levels that they start with. Then you can add positive behavior points. So again, this is what reminds me of the Class Dojo, adding and taking away points. And you can change them to meet your specific needs. So I just added a couple. We really work with Boys Town social skills, so I added just a couple of our social skills that we see or use frequently, like accepting no and following instructions. And then we can also earn negative points for behaviors, so we could take away if they're not accepting no or not following the instructions. And then this would align back with rewards or that they could get in the classroom. So we could create the custom behaviors or add points manually or modify them manually based on what they're doing. So they could earn pledges or powers as they work. So they can just earn different things, like they can take more damage than some others, or just different characters have different skills, just like they would in a video game. And then we can also create quests. So first I've split them up into different teams. So you could have 2 different teams in a classroom. You could have everybody working together, however you want to do it, but you can look at them based on team or based on the entire class. You have these tools that you could use just throughout the room to be like, for random students. I want to just pick, instead of, I've seen a lot of people do the popsicle sticks in a jar, so this is just kind of another way to do it. You can add quests, which I just used some pre-made ones that they were done, but they've created quests that they would have to complete to then do assignments, and they could submit those assignments to me. So there's the story that's already been created. There's the task that they're asked to do. They can add discussion, which my children have already done on this. And they can submit any of their tasks and assignments to be able to move forward on the quests. So I can have it specific to what our lessons are. So I think this is something that's really neat that the students would really enjoy using. My kids certainly have.